adjusting this curtain to get the perfect lighting. Okay, that's not bad. Hey guys, so this is February, right? But back in like end of December or something like that, I shot a video. I got a product and I shot a video, like a tech review for it. But then I thought I lost the footage because the hard disk was like not working. So I thought I lost the footage. I was gonna reshoot that tech review. But then I tried out that hard disk again and I found it. So here's this tech review of a product that I got that I shot back in December, but I thought I lost it. And then I already said all this. Watch the video. Everybody, what's good? How are you guys doing? Great? Good job? I mean, why would I? Today we're gonna let's just jump into today's video. Okay, today's video is I have a knife. That means I have a product. The thing is, you guys already know. Okay, it's already in the title. But allow me to build the suspense. Okay, we got a product and we're gonna do tech review with Taneshh. Ooh, okay, we have two boxes. One is a tiny little box. Microphone Lav-S6. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna put this aside first because I don't know what that is. But check this out. Dun, 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 dun. This is the product. It is the SYNCO WMic-T2 UHF. It's a wireless microphone. I'm extremely excited because this is a double transmitter, single receiver, lavalier microphone or clip-on mic. This is something that I've been wanting for the longest time. I'm not joking. I'm not saying this for this vlog because I got the product. I've literally put it on my Lazada wish list for a double transmitter, single receiver lav mic. It was there on my wish list. I was going to buy it, and then all of a sudden SYNCO emailed me and they were like, yo, we got this product, do you want it? You can have it. Obviously, do a review of it on your channel. I was like, Devame, yennai paarungal, எனக்கு clip on மைக்கை கொஞ்சம் வாங்கி தாருங்கள். டங்க 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 டங்க. Ooh, it comes with a case. Nice! My excitement level is going up the roof. Okay, this is the box. Don't need it because we have a case. Check that out. Oof! I like this. This feels nice and solid. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah, this is the manual, user manual. We'll check that out later. We got, oh look at that, SYNCO receiver, transmitter, two transmitters and one receiver, and we got a bunch of cables. Let's check it out. This is the mic pieces that you attach to your actors and you sort of clip it to your receivers, I mean your transmitters. A 3.5mm cable to an XLR cable, a converter. So if you want to connect the receiver to a recorder with XLR input, you can use this. XLR is better quality than 3.5mm. Or if you just want to connect it to your camera, which only receives a 3.5 input, and you can use a 3.5 to 3.5 male to male cable. So you got two options here. We got two tiny little dead cats that we can attach to this mic things. So if you're outdoors and there's a lot of wind noise, this will sort of cut them off. We also have this thing, I don't know what this is called. If you want to attach your receiver to a camera or a tripod or whatever, you can sort of attach this to the receiver and you can attach it through the cold shoe or something like that. We also have this pin thingies. This is basically something that you attach to the transmitters, then you can sort of clip it on your actors' clothes and all that. So basically this comes with every single thing. Guys, I'm so excited. Now this is the receiver. You get to like set which transmitter you want. You want only input from A, you want only input from B, or do you want to keep it in the middle at AB where it receives input from both of it. It's quite light because I think there's no battery in it. This takes in two AA batteries. It's fully metal like they say. There's two antennas, there's an output, there's an earphone, and then we have the two transmitters. You have your mute button, you have your audio, you have your signal indicators, one port for the mic, an antenna. Okay, I got some batteries here. Let's test out these mics. Ooh, turn it on and that's what it says here, A, B and all that. I've put in the battery for this receiver. Now I'm gonna plug in the mic over here, twist this to tighten it. It's on. Alright, right now it's at B, I think. Hello. Hello. Look over here. Hello. Hello. Can you see that? This mic is set at B. Now if I were to set this at A, On the receiver, this is empty over here. Hello, CA. Hello, because the receiver is set to pick up both A and B right now, but only A is on. There's only feedback on A, there's nothing on B. Now if I were to change the receiver to B, hello, it doesn't pick up because this is A. But if I were to change this to B as well now, hello, I think you guys get the idea. Okay, now I'm gonna test out this entire system. So what I have is I have my camera, my DSLR on a little tripod. See, this is the receiver. I attached this cold shoe mount thing on this. I'm just gonna slide this in. It's very hard to do with one hand, guys, but you get the idea, right? Slide in. I'm just gonna tighten it. My DSLR receives a 3.5mm input, so I just grab this wire. Remember 3.5, connect that into my DSLR, connect this portion into my receiver, and I'm gonna tighten it. Okay, now my receiver is connected to my camera, all good. I know this visual doesn't look nice, it's probably dim, it's probably grainy, it's probably not in focus, but that's not the point. The point is about these two mics. I'm gonna test this out. It's both of it is on. You can probably hear me clearly or whatever. Now mic A is on your left channel, mic B is on your right channel, right? If you're wearing earphones, you can tell the difference very clearly. I'm going to place mic B down here. I'm going to pick up mic A and talk to it and move around. Now mic B is right by the camera down here, mic A is with me, so probably you can hear me better on the left, and on the right you might not be able to hear me clearly. So this is how it works. Okay, now I'm just gonna walk behind. I'm using mic A, I'm just walking all the way back. Alright, now on your mic B, which is on your right, you might be hearing me very softly, but on mic A, which is on your left, you might be hearing me better. So that's how it works when you connect it to like two separate actors, that kind of stuff. Okay, I'm walking back now, I'm all the way outside the room. Now I'm gonna come back in, just walk back in with mic A. Hi, what's up? What do you do? Hi. Now you probably hear me almost similarly. I'm gonna put mic A down, I'm gonna pick up mic B. Now it's gonna be the other way around. I'm gonna talk to mic B. Mic A is over there by the camera. Just walking all the way back. I'm just walking all the way back. Just walking all the way back. I'm outside of the room. Now, if you can tell the difference, you see how it works. Now, this might be quite straightforward for those of you who know how this kind of mics and all that work. But for those of you who don't, that's this whole point. That's the point of this whole thing. Okay. Of course, in editing, you can remove each of the footage left and right, and you can duplicate it and everything. But yeah, this to just demonstrate how the recording of a two transmitter, one receiver lavalier mic works. Alright, so that's pretty much the SYNCO WMic-T2. Okay, one receiver, two transmitters, the perfect exact type of lavalier mic that I wanted. I'm gonna put all the other features of this mic over here. You guys can pause it and take a look and read it out. Now if you guys want this SYNCO WMic-T2, you guys can go to the link in the description box below and get it. Oh my god, I almost completely forgot. Remember this box that came earlier that I said we'll look at it later? Let's look at it now. I completely forgot. For some of you who might not want an intricate system like the WMic-T2, you just want a simple mic that you can connect to your camera or your phone, you know, you just want a simple thing, you connect to your phone and then connect it here and just talk or whatever. This is the product for you. It's a SYNCO microphone Lav-S6. Ooh, look at that. Comes with a tiny little bag. You open it. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh my god. So basically we have the mic itself with the clip that you can attach to your shirt, and we have this control thing with another clip that you can attach to wherever you want to attach to. Oh, this is where you place the battery. There's a tiny little latch that you can differentiate between camera and phone. And then we have this much cable. Then you have a 3.5mm thing, which you can put on your phone, or you can put on your recorder or your laptop or something. Okay, I've put the mic on my shirt. Hi, I am testing the mic that I'm wearing right now, the SYNCO microphone Lav-S6. I don't know what is the quality like. There's no place to adjust the volume or whatever. Maybe you have to adjust it on your phone or on your camera, because this is a simple mic, not something complicated. Hopefully the quality is good. Okay, this is not bad. Lav-S6 from SYNCO. This is not bad. It's a very simple thing. You just basically plug in and play. The audio, I think it was slightly peaking, but I think that's because my camera's audio level setup might be a bit too high. Maybe I have to reduce it and it'll be fine, but I like the quality of this. If I want to do a quick video, I'll probably just use this. I don't know, but a lot of times you guys ask me, Tanesh, what kind of mic do you use? What can I use? Blah blah blah, etc, etc. Now, in terms of lavalier mics or clip-on mics, if you're interested in that, I think you guys, There's two great options from SYNCO. If you want a very simple one, you don't want to spend too much, I'll put the price of both of these right here. You're not looking for anything complicated, you go with Lav-S6. If you are a more professional user, you want more features, you want to mic up 2 people, you go for this, the WMic-T2. Obviously there's huge differences between the two, but because I received these two, talking about these two, I'm trying to give a bit of a comparison. Thank you so much, SYNCO. That's the end of the review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to TaneshhVlogs.
So thank you.
So edit லாம் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுங்க, முதல்ல எனக்கு ஒரு காப்பி அனுப்பிடுங்க.